Someone is very upset because I took the ball. What's the problem? No. We're not barking. We're not doing that. I know. You will not be satisfied until you get the ball. Would you like the ball? Huh? Squiggles? Tell me. Hey, why don't you say something to your daddy? Where's your daddy? Do you miss your daddy? You do? He's coming home soon. I know. Tell me. Say hi, Dad. Squiggles. No barking. No barking. Lay down. Good, lay down. Mm-hmm.